Just wrapped up this 2020 Akins Ram 1500 Bighorn Night Edition. So with the Night Edition, you get a lot of black accents, a good looking set of black wheels, a lot of convenience features, as well as standard equipment that you get with the Bighorn packaging itself. So we didn't want to change the wheel or do anything too drastic, because this is a package that we've long wanted for manufacturers to come out with, to where you're not just overblown with chrome. You've got what's popular now, for the most part, is a lot of black accents. So this is a cool package. Black emblems, black bezel on your headlights and more. Ready lift level kit, a 2-inch level kit. Again, it's just the aluminum hockey puck style on top of your strut assembly there. Raises up nice and level. 295 60/20, 34-inch Nitto Ridge grappler tire essentially on that nice matte black finish factory wheel from Ram. It's a 20-inch wheel. It looks really good. We also added, because Ram just doesn't come with running boards on their vehicles for the most part, and that's across all dealerships, not just here at Akins. So we put a nice set of Ram factory black running boards to match. What if you would have put there are people out there that would put a chrome running board on this truck, I guarantee you, but we wanted to go with that night theme. Black Ram running board, looks good. This is an actual Ram running board. So we like the nice touch with the Ram logo there, and it's just a good, nice 4-inch flat style board. Looks very nice. Akins sprayed bed liners, guaranteed for life. The guys do a great job with that. Another good look at that ridge grapper tire, very aggressive sidewall. On the inside, WeatherTech floor mats. Front and rear, here's a good look at that Bighorn interior, 8.4-inch touchscreen with navigation and more. Super basic build. This is our Covert edition, level kit, tires, and a few accessories to really set it off and enhance the overall enjoyment and looks of the vehicle is what we're all about here at Akins and Willies in Winder, Georgia. Window sticker, 51,445. We added a little over $4,000 to it. Some of the equipment there, so just over $56,000 before discount. Great value. Gotta love the new Ram. Guys, my name is Nsheppard at Willies at Akins. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for the support. Hope you enjoy this truck.